Experiencing a frozen infotainment system starting screen on your Polestar 2 or 3? This issue often stems from software glitches. The quickest solution is a force restart. Press and hold the power button on the center console or steering wheel for 10 to 15 seconds until the screen goes black and restarts. This clears temporary memory issues. Second, check for updates. Go to Settings, System, System Update, then check for updates. Ensure your Polestar has the latest software, as updates often include bug fixes. Polestar's Update 3.2, Build 2025.05, specifically targeted this issue. These steps resolve most cases. If problems persist, proceed to the next section. If a force restart and update don't solve the infotainment freeze, try clearing the system's cache. This removes temporary data that may be causing the issue. Navigate to Settings, then Apps, System Apps, Android Auto, Storage, and Clear Cache. This action removes temporary data that may be causing the freeze. If cache clearing doesn't work, contact your Polestar dealer. The issue might be a hardware fault or complex software problem. Don't attempt advanced repairs yourself, as this could void your warranty. Severe cases may require warranty service. Always prioritize safety. Pull over before troubleshooting any in-car system.